Guys, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you download Phonepe app on your device. Now for those of you wondering what is Phonepe is a digital payment and financial service which is also known as digital wallet. Now to simply download Phonepe on your device, open Play Store on your Android phone and search Phonepe on the search box. After that, you will see the option which says install highlighted on green. Simply click on it to install on a device. Now if you are on iOS, you will see the option of App Store. Open it on a device and search Phonepe on the search box. After that, click on install, click on get, which is highlighted on blue, to download it on a device. After that, wait for it to get downloaded on your device. So that's it. That's how you can download Phonepe on a device. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.